Welcome everyone to Think STEM Hub. This chapter is dedicated to those students that are about to write their SAT exam. So we have a question before that says the graph of an exponential function in the xy plane is given and it has a y-intercept of d. So what is an intercept and what is a y-intercept? A y-intercept is where a graph cuts the y-axis, and this is an exponential graph. Let's say this is a point D, and it says positive. The positive constant is positive, so it's going to cut at the positive y axis, and this is the negative y axis. This is your x axis. Now if you look at this here is the origin. So if it called the y axis, it will have two values, that is the x and the y values. So we are looking for the y value, which is the d, and the x value obviously is directly on 0, so it's going to be what? 0. So to get this very question is very easy. Just look at the option and put where your x is 0. Which one is going to give you d when you put 0 in it? Now if I look at this first one, if I put minus 3 times d all to the power of 0, anything raised by 0 is 1, and it's giving me minus 3, and this is not d itself. This is not d, and it's even negative, so that is not the correct one. Then if I look at the next one, which is 3 times 0, that is, I'm looking at option B, then times d, this will give me 0 because anything multiplied by 0 is 0. Then the third option, that is d times minus 0 or cube, this one will equally give me 0. And let's look at the last option. You have d times 3 all raised by x, and the x in this case is 0. Now if you look at it, anything raised by 0 is 1. That is d times 1, and that is d, and it is positive. So this option here is the correct answer. Kindly hit the subscribe button for similar video, and don't forget to like and share it for those who might actually be interested in the video. Thank you once again.